Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Tropical Bliss. Transform your small space with these garden ideas. Creating a tropical garden in a small space can be a rewarding endeavor that brings a slice of paradise right to your home. With the right plants, design elements, and a bit of creativity, you can transform even the tiniest balcony or backyard into a lush oasis. Here are 7 ideas to help you achieve tropical bliss in your small garden. Selecting the right plants is crucial for a tropical garden. Opt for species that thrive in warm, humid conditions, such as hibiscus, bird of paradise, and ferns. These plants not only add vibrant colors, but also create a lush, layered look. Consider using a mix of tall, medium, and low-growing plants to add depth to your garden. Additionally, incorporating tropical foliage like palms and philodendrons can enhance the tropical feel. Make sure to choose plants that are suitable for your specific climate and light conditions. Grouping plants with similar water and sunlight needs will make maintenance easier. Remember, the right plant selection can make your small space feel expansive and inviting. When space is limited, vertical gardening is an excellent solution. Utilize walls, fences, or trellises to grow climbing plants like jasmine or passion flower. Vertical planters and wall-mounted pots can also be used to display a variety of herbs and flowers. This approach not only saves ground space, but also adds visual interest at different heights. Incorporating hanging baskets filled with trailing plants can create a cascading effect that mimics a tropical waterfall. Additionally, vertical gardens can provide privacy and shade, making your small space feel more secluded. Be sure to choose sturdy structures that can support the weight of the plants and soil. The sound of water can enhance the tropical ambience of your garden. Consider adding a small fountain, pond, or even a bird bath to create a soothing atmosphere. Water features attract wildlife, such as birds and butterflies, which can add life to your garden. If space is tight, a tabletop fountain can provide the same calming effect without taking up much room. Surround your water feature with tropical plants to create a cohesive look. The reflection of plants in the water can also make your space feel larger and more vibrant. Regular maintenance is essential to keep the water clean and inviting. Incorporating colorful accents can bring your tropical garden to life. Choose vibrant pots, garden furniture, and decorative elements that reflect the colors of tropical flowers. Bright yellows, pinks, and greens can create a cheerful atmosphere. Consider using patterned cushions or outdoor rugs to add comfort and style to your seating area. You can also incorporate colorful garden art, such as sculptures or wind chimes, to add personality. These accents can serve as focal points that draw the eye and enhance the overall design. A small tropical garden should include a cozy seating area where you can relax and enjoy your surroundings. Choose comfortable outdoor furniture that complements the tropical theme, such as wicker or bamboo. Position your seating to take advantage of views and natural light. Adding cushions and throws in tropical prints can enhance comfort and style. Consider using a small table for drinks or snacks, making it a perfect spot for entertaining. Surround your seating area with lush plants to create a sense of enclosure and privacy. Lighting, such as string lights or lanterns, can add ambience for evening relaxation. Adding edible plants to your tropical garden can be both practical and beautiful. Consider growing tropical fruits like pineapple, bananas, or papaya, which can thrive in warm climates. Herbs such as basil, mint, and lemongrass not only add flavor to your meals, but also contribute to the tropical aesthetic. Use decorative pots or raised beds to grow these plants, making them easily accessible. Using natural materials in your garden design can enhance the tropical feel. Consider incorporating elements like wood, stone, and bamboo for pathways, borders, and furniture. These materials blend seamlessly with the lush greenery and colorful plants. A wooden deck or stone patio can serve as a beautiful foundation for your garden. Additionally, using natural mulch around plants can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Incorporating driftwood or large stones can add an organic touch and create focal points within your garden. When selecting materials, aim for those that are sustainable and weather-resistant to ensure longevity.